forgery is like carbon copy of the website. So these whole things are related. First you get the email, then you get the link manipulated, link in the email, the link leads to the web forgery. So these techniques are related, interrelated between each other. As I have told before, web forgery is a lookalike website or attacking the origin with JavaScript and XSS attack. Let me go deep into XSS attack. XSS attacks are something like, let's say if the website doesn't validate these characters, the usual symbols, XSS attack can be really near. According to my research, Dialog.lk is vulnerable to XSS attack. Last night I was able to manipulate the website with JavaScript. So let me go into Dialog website. In Dialog website, the search function is actually vulnerable for XSS attack. So first of all, what I did was I tried to enter anchor tag, href, hyperlink reference, http google.com. So something like I write free money. I close the anchor tag. I press enter. See, I have manipulated the website with HTML, right? So my mind also went crazy. So I also started thinking, okay, if we can manipulate the anchor tag, we can manipulate JavaScript. So what I did was, I used the script tag and source it. The original location is here, http I'm just trying to demonstrate how a XSS attack works. So this actually Afzal.com is my personal work. So I have uploaded there to labs.afzal.com/dialog XSS attack.js. So attack.js is the original vector, the data is coming from there. But assuming that for this demonstration, I didn't want to encrypt that header, HTML header, so that you will understand. So let's say I'm pressing enter. See, I have manipulated the page with a user login form. But before, we have manipulated an anchor tag. But the anchor tag was having the search and everything in the first. What I did with the JS was, I have removed some divs going to display, not CSS. Other way, if you are a good user, you can highlight it and you can see here. Search function is highlighted, it's gone to white. I didn't try that much. So let's say I have got a really huge database of Dialog users and I want to get some information from them. I want to get some credit card information. So in this form I would have written credit card information. So do you want to get additional star point or something? So I can manipulate users, right? So let's say I'm entering admin hello world. What actually happens here is magic. I'm posting it and I'm getting the data. I'm doing everything inside Dialog.lk, but Dialog.lk is not actually hacked. I'm just attacking where XSS attack. So this is just a form of XSS attacks. Usually the big companies are also vulnerable to these attacks. As I have said before, cross-site scripting, XSS is actually cross-site scripting. You can call from another domain to another domain.